Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you different ways on how to improve your team in FIFA Mobile. Now, the easiest way to improve your team in FIFA Mobile is by pressing the auto build mechanism into FIFA Mobile. What this does is it prioritizes the team value and the overall rating above anything else, which is chemistry, the position of players, etc. But if you really want to be able to improve your team, you can start looking at the positions that are really vulnerable and start to buy players in your coin range. So let's say we need to replace a Yaya Toure, and we need someone within that English and within the Premier League to be able to link with Welbeck and Havertz. So we're going to go into the market section. Then we're going to go into the search bar. We're going to go through a league. Then let's put Premier League / Serie A. Then we want a position of the right wing. Then we don't really want a skill boost, but we do definitely want a quality of gold, elite, or master. And then we want, yeah, that should be about it. We're going to press the search button. We're going to put, it depends how much money you have in your account, of course. You can put from descending order of market value. Ascending order of market value. And here you can look at right wings that could really benefit your team. So we have Sancho, Olise, we have Verde, we have Ziyech. So there are different players that, of course, you can purchase that could really be beneficial. So I'm really liking Lookman, so I'm going to purchase Lookman. And then I'm going to go into the transfer market. I think I've accidentally purchased two. Don't worry, I can just, of course, resell Lookman, and all you gotta do is just replace Yaya Toure with your new bought player. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.